In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently edit the Send To options in your email content using HubSpot. This process can make a significant difference in how you manage and organize your email marketing campaigns, ensuring you reach the right audience without missing critical targets. Let's dive into these steps to get you set up quickly and effectively. To begin, go to your HubSpot account and navigate to the User Guide section. You can do this by entering your HubSpot URL and clicking on the User Guide option once you're logged in. This section serves as the command center, offering a comprehensive overview of all the tools at your disposal. Now that you're in, let's move forward to work with the email tools. Click on Marketing. The Marketing section in HubSpot is where the magic of email marketing happens, offering a myriad of options to tailor your campaigns to suit your needs. From here, select Email to get started with creating or editing email campaigns. In the Email section, you'll notice a New Email option. Clicking this will open up a new project space where you can start crafting your email content. A useful tip here is to have a clear idea of your email's goal and target audience even before creating your content, as setting these priorities can streamline the entire process. Next, click on Send To. This option is where you actually decide who receives your email. It's a critical component in personalizing your email campaigns, especially when aiming for niche segments of your customer base. By clicking this, you open the customization window that helps in pinpointing exactly who will be on the receiving end of your message. Following that, head over to How Will You Send This Email? This gives you control over the method of delivery, ensuring that you're not only reaching out to the intended audience, but doing so in a way that aligns with your strategy. Adjust these settings according to whether you want to craft personalized messages or send out bulk communications. Next, ensure you select the right subscription type, which defines the kind of content you're distributing and helps maintain compliance with subscriber preferences and regulatory standards. Then proceed to refine your Send To list. This is where you specify which segments or lists should receive the email. Further filtering can be done by using the Don't Send To option. Here, you'll exclude certain contacts or lists, which can be just as crucial as selecting the right recipients to enhance your campaign's focus and effectiveness. Finally, before sending, it's always a great idea to check estimated recipients to get a preview of how many contacts your email will reach. This gives you a chance to make necessary adjustments to either broaden or narrow your campaign's reach for optimal impact. Following these steps, you'll have a well-managed, precise email campaign tailored to engage your chosen audience effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.